Hey, what's up you guys? So you may be wondering, Sheila, why do you look like that? Well, I am not wearing any makeup yet. And if you hear any noise in the background, I apologize, just ignore it. So today I decided I was going to film one of my normal tutorials a little bit differently. I wanted to see how the talking over works instead of using a voiceover or just inserting pictures of the products that I'm using. So I'm gonna try a talk through version of this tutorial and we'll see how this goes. So it's probably gonna be a little bit longer than usual, but I'm really excited. I am using a Morphe palette. I haven't owned a Morphe palette before in my life, but I got two for Christmas. So I'm really excited about them. The colors inside are beautiful. They're so pigmented and I wanted to create a look using that palette, as well as the fact that I've recently gotten into using fake eyelashes, but I'm really suck at applying them. So we'll see how this goes, and I'm impatient, so okay. Anyways, let's get into this video. Okay, so my eyebrows are already done. I do them off camera now because they take so long, because my eyebrows don't like to cooperate with me, so I did that off camera. But I'm going to start off with the face, and my skin is really dry. But first I moisturize my face with the Pond's Dry Skin Moisturizer Cream. It's drugstore, it's really inexpensive, so if you have dry skin, this works so good. Thank you, Kia, for introducing me to it. I love it. So now I'm just going to take the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and this is the hydrating one. Now that I let my primer set a little bit more and get like soaked into my skin, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the dewy and smooth one. I got a set of these makeup brushes off of Amazon for $8. It came with eye brushes and face brushes, and they're so soft. They were only $8. If I could find them on Amazon, I'll link them down below in case you want to try them out, but like, they are so soft and they're so nice.
All to myself.
Make yourself at my home, tell me where you been.
You're not there for a good challenge.
Pour yourself something cold, baby, cheers to this.
So come on, give me ain't nobody going.
And then I take my little beauty blender. Don't mind it, it is super dirty. Yeah. And then I just go over the foundation.
We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Play that music too loud.
Then I go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I am in medium.
We gonna do a little biggie. Sky is the limit in this town. We taking over the city. We too high to bring us down. We gonna do what we do. We gonna do what we do. 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, meet you for.
I use the Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is from Walmart. This stuff is incredible. This is the translucent version. Okay, then I just take another one of those brushes that I got from Amazon, and it's just like a flat top powder brush.
About it, she told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go.
Okay, so next I'm going to bronze up my face with the Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and once again the Amazon brush brand.
Roll now, we can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Play that music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go a while. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mom was saying us to super, now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mom was saying us to.
I'm taking this Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit. It's reflecting the light. So I'm going in with the color Eclipse.
Now with a man them at the polo, I can make a honey give away your last Rolo, and I stay show, yo, you know how it goes. What the girls like.
Girls is my sons, I'm giving them milk teas. They be sweating me headbands and gym tees. Like bad knees on dirt, no whiskeys. It is going down like M. Lewinsky's. Ribbons freeze, yup, my wrist on pink skis. Ring finger be itching on my pinkies. Make them mad, huh man, I got them hating bad.
I'm taking this Urban Decay Primer Potion. Had this for a really long time.
Welcome to my house. Play that music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house. You heard me? We ain't gotta go out 'cause what? Welcome to my.
Okay guys, so this is the Morphe palette that I am using. It is the Nature Glow 35 O palette. It's pretty big. These are so inexpensive though, it's insane. If you're looking for good palettes, like, definitely go to Morphe. Their eyeshadows are so incredible and they're so affordable. So first off, I'm taking this e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush, and I'm going to take this top color here.
And I can't take it no more. It's 100 degrees. Yeah. Ooh, just the thought of you gets me so high, so high.
Okay, so I'm going to be taking one of those Amazon brushes. This is just like an angled kind of crease brush. I'm going to start by taking this like light kind of like burnt orange, I guess you can say. This is going to act as like a transition color. So I'm just going to focus that on my crease, but like not going to focus like too hard on like getting it directly, because it's just going to be a transition color.
You don't mess with love, you mess with the truth. And I know I shouldn't say it, but my heart don't understand. You see me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Take a look what you've done. Show me what you got.
Next I'm going to take this fluffy brush from the same like brush. I don't know if you guys can like see that, but that's the name. I don't know if I'm back in focus, so focus roulette anyway. So now I'm going to take this darker orange and I'm going to just focus that on like the outer to the center part of my crease, just to kind of produce like an ombre effect. So it's going to be like lighter orange, like the transition color in like the center of my crease, and then the darker orange on the outside.
Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch.
This is the brush that comes with the Naked Heat palette. I'm just going to take like the denser end just to like blend it out. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this pencil brush kind of. It's like pointed, it's just, it looks like that. I don't know if it was in focus, but this is from that same company. And I'm going to be picking up this dark brown right here just to kind of like deepen up the crease.
But now we're stressed out.
I'm just taking this fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend it out. So I'm gonna be taking this darker gold up here and just like this flat Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. It was literally like $1. Seeing this shadow right on the lid. Then I'm going to take this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. It's just another kind of flat brush, and I'm going in with this color that's directly next to this gold. It's just kind of like a light shimmery champagne color, and I'm just going to focus that on the inner corners.
Take away your things and go. You can't take back what you said.
Now I'm just going to take this Tarte, it's like a felt tip. I'm going to draw a line on my lid and wing it out. Okay, I am back. Wings are completo. I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm just going to put mascara on my eyelashes to prep them for the fake ones. I have these Ardell wispies. I took the backing off of them because I wore the one pair already, so I don't know which ones these are.
Fake friends, we don't take L's, we just make M's. While y'all follow, we just make trends. I'm right back to work when that break ends.
How hard I'm trying to. I'm you all to myself.
And then I'm gonna go back in with the same mascara that I used and just blend the real ones with the fake ones.
Untouchable, 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 untouchable. Can't keep my hands to myself. Untouchable, 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 untouchable,
Then I'm going to be taking that same dark orange color that I put in the outer part of my crease, which was this one right here, and I'm just going to bring it on my lower lash line to just kind of balance out the look. Okay guys, so final step is the lips, and I'm taking two products here, a lip liner and this is like a matte gloss for the top. I don't like regular lipsticks. I feel like they dry my lips out super bad. So any type of like liquid lipstick is what I usually reach for. So the lip liner is the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in Dusty Rose. And the matte gloss is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Gloss, and this is in Statement Nude.
Boys, only one love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't, say I didn't.
Take the e.l.f. makeup mist and set and just spray it all over my face so the makeup lasts.
See me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got now, come on, think you're worth my while. Tell me I'm worth it, give me I'm worth it. You know what I mean?
Saturday night we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch.
Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and make sure if you have not subscribed to subscribe to follow future posts. Yeah. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys.